How to delete account on Clubhouse. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete accounts on Clubhouse. So the first step is to log into your Clubhouse account, just like I've done here. And then once you're logged in, move to the top right corner of the screen, click on your profile icon. And then on your profiles page, select settings. After that, once you're on your settings page, the next step is for you to click on your username or your profile name. And once you're on your accounts page, at the bottom part of the screen, you can see the option deactivate account. So that's what you will click on, and then you'll be taken to the next stage, asking you, showing you the disadvantages of deactivating and the likes. So click on I understand, deactivate account, and then once you confirm that, your Clubhouse account would be deactivated afterwards. So that is it. Thank you for watching, and go ahead to deactivate that account now. Thank you for watching and have a good day.